Hey there my tech fellows, welcome back to the Everyday Talk, where we explore all the best gadgets and gears to keep you ahead in the tech world. I'm your host Rahim, and today we are diving into a super exciting topic about my top 5 accessories or iPad Pro accessories in 2024 that just might transform how you use your tablet and might end up leaving you with a new accessory to add into your favorites. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just a tech lover, these picks are sure to entertain your interest. Let's get into it with a request to subscribe to the Everyday Talk to grow as a family together and explore all these amazing things. So there is a lot of interesting things to discuss in this video, but first up we have got the Ugreen adapter with HDMI as iPad offers just single USB-C port, and to get any serious work done, an adapter with some essential ports is a must. This little handy device is a game changer for everyone who needs to connect their iPad Pro to a bigger display, use multiple USBs or USB-A ports, and transfer data from memory cards or attach a wireless headphones or microphones to the iPad Pro. Perfect for presentations, watching movies, or extending your workspace. The plug and play functionality means no hassle, just connect and go. Plus it supports high resolution output. Imagine editing your videos or doing graphic design on a large monitor. This adapter makes it possible. In the next item on our list is something for the audiophiles or simply anyone in today's world where a wireless pair of earbuds is necessity, the Beats Fit Pro. If you love crystal clear sound with robust bass and an immersing listening experience and almost all the features of AirPods Pro 2, these are a must-have. What's great about these is active noise cancellation features, making them perfect for focusing in noisy environments. Whether you are working out or just chilling, the Beats Fit Pro ensures your audio is nothing short of spectacular and you are free from the tensions of making your earbuds dry. And I am sure that a lot of people do not put a lot of focus on this, but I am talking about the transparency mode. It is one of the things which you will only miss once you have used it and have to live without that any other earbud after that. So this is one of the best features, I must say, in the Beats Fit Pro or any Apple earbuds, because the transparency mode is great and it actually works when it comes to Apple. Now coming towards some of the basics, Apple Magic Mouse 2. Moving to the Apple Magic Mouse 2, it's sleek, it's wireless, and it works like a charm with the iPad Pro. Especially since the introduction of mouse port in iPad OS, it may be uncomfortable to use, but some people, I must say in general, just found it very easy to use and perfect mouse for the designers and anyone who prefers a traditional mouse setup over a touchscreen when it comes to precise tasks. Plus the battery life is fantastic and it charges super quickly and weirdly. You know if you know. And next up, we should attach a very similar accessory, or you can say accessory in the same group, the Apple Magic Keyboard or the Apple Magic Keyboard case. I must say, to be very particular, because it is one of the things I mostly use and I do not carry any other external keyboard with me. So the fourth accessory here I must add to the list is the Apple Magic Keyboard case. This is where your track iPad Pro really starts to resemble a laptop. With its smooth typing experience and built-in trackpad, this keyboard case isn't just about protection, it's about enhancing productivity in style. It's backlit, adjustable, and connects magnetically when keeping your iPad floating in the air like magic. No Bluetooth needed. Typing out long essays or emails, this will make your life so much easier and will also act as a stand to easily attach and detach your iPad whenever you need it. So now coming towards an exciting and very popular accessory. It's not last and not even the least, we have the Apple Pencil that I'm glad that I bought with my first iPad, and from that time onward it has been my daily driver. But for the sake of this review, all the artists, note takers, and the brainstormers, this one's for you. The precision and responsiveness of the Apple Pencil make it feel like you are using an actual pen on a paper. Just add a screen protector such as Paperlike and you will get a thin piece of glass acting like your notebook. It's perfect for note taking in class, sketching out ideas, or even doing professional artwork directly on your iPad. And believe me, I have seen a lot of good work out there. And when you need the extra space for your digital ideas or to get out of your mind and onto a paper or for the world to see, you just pull out the iPad and you will be good to go with your Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So as I just say that this is not even the last or the least, you can just not stop on the 5 accessories, guys. Here's 2 bonus accessories that I have been loving lately: the Skull Candy Crushers ANC and even the Skull Candy Crushers ANC 2 for an earth-shaking audio experience where the additional bass boosting drivers and adjustable sensory bass make sure your skull is being crushed with the music you are enjoying. And the Apple 60-watt power adapter for the most efficient and effective juice-up offensive device, making your iPad charged and ready to go whenever you need. These two are not just accessories, they are essentials for my tech toolkit. There is a lot more to talk about, but I'm sure that a lot of interesting accessories will be coming in the next video or the next part of this video, and we are also going to be talking about the accessories for the MacBook, for the iPhone, and all other Apple accessories would be be included some way or another. So if you are interested in such topics, subscribe to the channel. So coming towards the conclusion, these are my top 5 well 7 iPad Pro accessories that can seriously upgrade your tech game in 2024 and are more or less essential for your productive everyday use of your device. Each brings its own unique twist to how you interact with your iPad, making it more versatile, powerful, tailored to your needs. What do you think? Any favorites, or do you have an accessory that you can't live without? Let me know down in the comments below and we will make sure we add that into the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a quick thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insight. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next one. We will explore more incredible tech that makes our lives better. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.